Hey guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I want to show how to make moon animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So after the finished video, I will share all project files for download. First one, let's select this texture and let's move the inside our composition. You can search this image in Google and go to FX preset, search effect CC Sphere. Select this CC Sphere and let's use for this texture. Then change radius and open light. Let's change light like this and let's make simple animation with light high and light direction. Let's make keyframes and go to 8 seconds. Press N. Let's change light like this and change light direction. Let's see. Okay, and let's press U. Select first keyframes and let's change light like this and light direction. Okay, let's see. Okay, not bad. So in this time open shading and change ambient 0. Okay, not bad. Let's change ambient 2 or 5. Okay, that's good. Let's open rotation and make year rotation keyframe. Let's press U, again press U for see new keyframes and go to last keyframes. Change rotation 28. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So let's go to project and select this space texture and move to behind here. Press S, change scale. Okay, nice. And select the space, make scale keyframe and go to last second. Let's change scale like this. Okay, that's good. And in this time, let's go to FX preset, search effect displacement map and select this displacement map and let's use for this texture. Okay, and change this 0 and this 0. Make horizontal and vertical keyframes. Let's press U for C keyframes and go to 3 keyframe. 1 to 3. For a shortcut, you can use hold shift, press page down in the keyboard and change this horizontal like this. Okay, go to 3 keyframe again, 1 to 3 and change this 0. Let's see. And let's try change this 50. Okay, let's try change like this 120. Okay, not bad. And change vertical like this. Go to here, change 0 and select keyframes, make easies. Then select these vertical keyframes and move to right. Select these horizontal keyframes, Ctrl C, go to here, Ctrl V. Again select these vertical keyframes, Ctrl C, go to here, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So in this time, let's select this texture and Ctrl D. And let's close keyframe settings. Go to FX preset, search effect hue saturation. Select this hue saturation. Let's use for this texture and change the name red. Click this checkbox. Let's change red like this. Let's see. Change this to. Okay, and in this time press U and go to here. Let's cut layer. Go to here and go to edit, split layer or Ctrl Shift D and go to here, again split layer and select this part, delete. Let's see. And go to here, again split layer Go to here, again split layer, and delete this, and make again someone for red keyframes, and delete this part, and finally go to here and split layer and delete this part. So close keyframes, let's see. Okay, not bad. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.